starting now. Hi guys, today we are going to build the Cuboctahedron. First we're going to do a square in the middle. Then we're going to get 2 triangles and 1 square. Put them like this. Then we're going to attach them at the top. Then we have to build the same 2 triangles and 1 square. And we put it at the side there. And then we have to build the same 1 square in the middle, then 2 triangles at the side, then put them like this. But now we're going to need 2 squares and 2 triangles, like this, and you attach them on the other side. Now we're going to start making the form of the Cuboctahedron. First you're going to do that, then this, and then closely, very carefully, going to put them like that. Put the square in the middle. So this is a Cuboctahedron. Bye guys, thank you for watching.